Hi guys, welcome back to another fitness video. Today I wanted to just focus on one muscle group, and I'm just gonna kind of explain a bit why is it, if you're trying to grow your glutes, probably why it's not happening, or what you need to do to help with just targeting your glutes more. So as you can see, I started off with this kind of like warm-up movement, and this is just a bridges, like I'm just using my body weight, no equipment, no nothing. And this really just helps like to isolate the glutes, to really activate that area. When targeting a specific muscle group, you really need to focus more on that area. Like, it sounds simple, but yeah, that's really what you need to do. So as you can see, I didn't do anything too complex. I just started off with these, and this was the only thing I did as a warm-up to start off with my glute workout today. And as I said, I'm only focusing on glutes today. So for another video, I will touch on like upper body and all of that for you guys. I know that you guys been requesting that. So yeah, after this I pretty much just jumped straight into the workout, which was the same thing, or you could say it's hip thrusters, but directly on the ground. And I'm thrusting these weights with all the energy I can possibly find. Now, so with this movement, you're really using your gluteus maximus, and this is the upper glute muscle, and your gluteus medius, and this is the lower glute muscle. Your quadriceps and hamstrings are also engaged, but the tension, you could definitely feel the tension more on the gluteus medius and the gluteus maximus, and it burns. I did like 15 reps, 4 sets of this. It's killer, trust me, try it. It will feel like at the end you'll feel like there's a clamp on your butt, like, trust, and you'll definitely see results. And this is why I never ever stop from doing this. It really is, it's so effective. I then went into my kickbacks, and I do this on the cable machine. These are like unilateral movements, because as you can see, I'm raising one leg at a time, obviously. And as you can see, I do this like 2-second pause thing at the top, and I did this for the hip thrusters as well. This really helps to focus that tension more on that specific muscle group, and you feel the burn even more. So that I really love about it. And from day one, this is one movement I've never ever stopped from doing. This again really targets the gluteus maximus, and it is killer. Try it. I do like 10 reps on each leg. I take my time and do that. And when you're doing this movement, guys, be careful. Do not move your back up and down. You see how my back is in one place? Like, you want to keep your back kind of low. You don't want to stand up straight doing this, because you might hurt your back. I then jump into some pull throughs, and these are some other killer workouts. Really good glute isolated movement. It's really simple, as you can see. I'm not bending my knees. I really focus on not bending my knees. You want to feel everything in your glutes. Another awesome movement to do, I don't even know what to call these, but I pretty much just lie on this bench and I drive both legs to the ceiling and squeeze at the top. These are awesome, and trust me, it looks way easier than it actually is. Way easier. And the funny thing is that a lot of people think that doing squats are the movements that actually grow glutes. No, trust me, it is not so. You have different ways of doing squats and stuff, but I probably need to do a whole separate video on that. As you can see, I'm doing some leg raises with the cable machine again, and this is really targeting the side of my glutes, the side, because you want a nice round bum, right? You don't want to just look one-dimensional, so you need to make sure you're working every aspect. So I take my time, and I did really light weights with this. And yeah, I just pretty much just did like 4 movements for this video, because I really wanted to simplify things for you guys, so I didn't like go overboard. Trust me, focus on doing incorporating some more of these movements, and I'm pretty sure you'll see improvement with your glutes. And just really try to connect mentally with where you're trying to work. It's always important to have mind and muscle connection. So let me know how it worked for you, and yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Stay tuned for my next video. That's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.